you're a guy who absolutely loves the brand Mizzen Main, you're gonna get super excited about the flannels that they have for fall. Now, maybe you already know about the flannels and I'll run you through them. Now, if you don't know anything about the brand Mizzen Main, basically they make dress shirts and polos and pants, but I sell just the dress shirts in a polyester fabric. So it feels like you're wearing a polyester golf shirt, but in form of a dress shirt. Okay, they wick moisture away, they're light and comfortable, you can wash them in your washing machine, just use like a steamer to dry it, do not put them in the dryer. They do a phenomenal job on the quality of this fabric, how it performs, it doesn't wrinkle. I'm here in Arizona, okay, so a lot of my clients all summer long rock these shirts because they're just crazy comfortable, all right? Now, the brand last season, fall 22, had these flannels, and can I tell you, they were lights out, home run. Like I was so happy with them. Of course, I don't wear them. My clients do, and they came in and they bought every color and they went crazy. So here's a new collection this fall for 23. I'm excited to share. So again, it is a polyester fabric, which there's nothing wrong with that. The fabric is a little heavier, meaning thicker, a little beefier than the dress shirts, but that's okay because it tries to have this flannel look. But again, it's not like lumberjack flannel and it's not crazy heavy. I'm telling you guys, these are a home run. So I have the flannels in these two. This is a blue color. It's the City Flannel. It's like a pewter color in this gray and some blue color. They're fantastic. Now, some of you guys hate the pockets. That's up to you. Okay, you can love or hate it. It's no big deal. I think there's a great reason just to add a little flavor and add a little edge to your shirt. Now, I've also talked a lot this fall about the shacket or the shirt jacket, right? So again, if you buy this shirt, you can totally unbutton all the buttons and wear it as a shirt jacket and put a t-shirt on under and look awesome, okay? So think about that when you buy these solids, but if I had to pick one that you buy this fall, it'd be one of these solids. And I will say, a lot of you guys might lean towards the blue one because you're more comfortable in blue, but I've put the gray one on a lot of guys and he's very, very handsome, so don't be scared of him. And my tall guys, I do carry these in tall sizes, so you're welcome. Okay, so love those two guys. Next, they have just a handful of really great patterns, okay? Light gray, this green, and this really great red and blue. So if you're just looking for something with a little something, I like him. Again, put a shirt on under it, whereas a shirt jacket, he looks fantastic, okay? This green one is very handsome too as well. He doesn't have the double pockets like the other one does, which I like because you focus more on the pattern. I think he's very Christmassy, very fall. Like he looks really, really good, okay? And lastly, this one with the red and blue, very handsome. I like him. So again, you can wear these like with your favorite t-shirt, you can wear them as is, you can wear them with jeans, etc. I even have him under a blazer, like a really good, simple, clean blazer. I think he looks like a home run. And I think the styles that don't have the chest pockets are the best way to layer with like a vest or a jacket like this because the double pockets might be a little much, but again, you wear what you love to wear, so I'm just giving you things to think about, but I think he's so handsome. Dress him up, slacks, jeans, or any of these guys. I do also have them in my online store in talls. Okay, but I'm telling you, just get a pair, get a shirt now because you'll be very excited. You'll wear it a ton. And something like this, you take good care of him, you'll have him again season after season. They're not super trendy. They're a good addition to a core fall piece in your wardrobe that you'll love. So my online shop is QContrariShop.com. I appreciate you guys shopping there and supporting my business because I put a ton of these videos out and it'd be helpful if it gets some sales. So please shop. If you have a question on a size or something you're unsure of, send me a message. I'm happy to help. So if you're here in Phoenix, swing by my store. I'm having a big Black Friday sale coming up, so keep that in mind. But this fall, this is a great flannel to wear if you're looking for something cozy that's not a lumberjack flannel, but you can still wear out and about. So give Mizzen Main a try. Thank you.